less surpassing and greater, as I love better and am more fearful than all other lovers. Briefly, I would make a more accomplished song, honoring and holding dear you, who are to me of rich worth without equal, pleasing lordly lady. For I should make it better indeed, because I await such high mercy. And if any man, by speaking excessive praises of his lady, was ever a liar, I tell you that for you it would be true speaking. Lady, for your great worth is by right so sovereignly high, that with it no praise can be equal. So all praise must be verified by your surpassing worth, for with it grows the high worth that upholds you. So I desire mercy from you. This love makes me say lady, and the honor supremely worthy worth that makes you cherished by all people. For a sweet lightness is in my firm heart, ready to act every time I hear speak of it. For each one thinks he praises you better, because your true praise gives life to their praises. For thus it is fitting, so I dare not cry to you for mercy. And if any man, by speaking excessive praises, so I desire mercy from you. So noble is your high rank, and your new gracious body is so fair, and the pleasing glance, and so true is the pure color, fresh, natural, and vivid, and so nobly you know how to say and do what befits you and is pleasing for honor, that to every man it is agreeable. So I have no pure joy from anything, except from awaiting your mercy. Very rich worth, wisdom and honor, measure and noble conduct are with you, lady, and I am joyful when I desire your succor, for my firm will spurs me on. But with all this I feel to desire, so I would indeed fear to beseech you. Indeed, for love makes me shun it, so much that I shall never say to you I